Hey everybody, Skinny Mitch here, the chewing man as Steve Chisholm calls me. Anyway, I'm doing a review on the Ataman or Ataman M2R Type 2 olive green stock, soft touch. So this is a 357. Let me bring this down here. Let me get over here so we're not into the sun. There we go. I'm going to be shooting Predator polymags, the Diablo Exact. Now, I always seem to get a spread pattern, 3 all together and 2 off to the right. So, let me zoom this in. That's as far as I go. You can see right there my targets. I got 4, I believe 6 or 8 inch targets at 50 yards. And I'm going to do chronograph testing too, which I will just have to read the numbers off to you as it goes. So here we go. Let's hope everything works out. Oh, I'm doing a single shot tray too. Okay, here we go, here we go. Let's hope the chronograph plays nice today. Got a slight wind here, not too bad. That was 9:05.
I can barely hear that inside the house.
9:04. I say 9:04. Okay, so that's 2. Oh my goodness. Duplicate.
Huh? Is that normal?
That one was 9:11. This is number 5, I believe. That was 9:10. This is shot number 6. .923. Wow. Shot number 7. .899. That's about right. Let's go. 881. So it looks like about 7 shots. I think I did 7 or 8. I'm not sure. Alright, I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, I'm going to walk us up to the target. Okay, let's see what we got here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, this is a different spread than I usually get. Usually I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yeah, 3, and then 2. Just happens to be the paper came off to where it looks like they're touching, but they're really not. So I'm going to do another group here, see what happens. I'm just going to do a 5-shot group. I'll go ahead and measure from center to center. 1.317 inches. If you do a 5-shot group, yeah, it's about the same. I just went that way, but okay, cool. I'm gonna pause you guys. I'll be right back. I wanted to show you guys after 8 shots. Looks like I'm from 300 bar down to 100 and, well, just before 200 bar. It's hard for me to read bar. Okay, again, my target is right there. I'm going to go for one more time with the JSB's 5-shot group. Okay, I'm going to do some scope adjusting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, that was 5. I'm going to check the target after I do one more. Okay, let's do one more 5-shot group of the JSVs and see if the adjustment I made on my scope isn't any better. Okay. That was 900 feet per second, and I didn't get to fill it all the way up because this is a 300 bar fill for my tank on the gun, and my tank only fills 4,500. So basically I get 2 fills, and then the rest are 2 lines before 300 bar, if that makes any sense. Wow, that was a nice shot. It's actually shooting pretty good today. It's not grouping like it used to. Seems as though they're all touching now, which is good. All right, let's go check that out. They say that this is just a target gun. It is really, really heavy. It's not a gun that you want to take out in the field with you, but if you're in a resting position and don't have to move, it would be pretty good. I mean, at 50 yards, I'm getting, what, 1-inch groups, sub 1-inch groups. Let's see here what we got. Okay, so this is my group that I did to adjustments to the scope to. I hate doing videos. I just never get them right. I mess up my wording. Anyway, so this is the one I did after readjusting. So I did my first shot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I adjusted it down I started hitting around here. So anyway, furthest to furthest. Let me get this thing on here. Zero it out. Okay. Oh, 1.8. 1.878 inches. See, I think it should do better than that. Let's try the Predator Polymags. But that was the one where I adjusted it, so that really doesn't count. Let's see what this one measures. This is the one I just did. 1, 2. I got 2 in the same hole. 3, 4, 5. So yeah, it is doing that. 3 and then 2 to the side. That's its normal thing. Look, I didn't even move the thing, and it's still at the same thing here. Yeah, I had to adjust it. One point, what I was saying was I didn't have to adjust the caliper because it was already set when I did this one to 1.8, but I did actually reset it, and we're looking at 1.788. All right, I'm going to pause you guys. I'll be right back with the Predator Polymags. Okay, here we go. Predator Polymags. 5-shot group, 50 yards. Ataman or Ataman, however the Russians say it. I think it means the greatest or the best. Okay, I got to figure out why this thing isn't as accurate as it should be. I guess it is, but this is as accurate as my Benjamin Bulldog. Same exact groups. It does the same thing, 3 together touching and then 2 off to the side. Good times, huh? Good times. Okay, here we go. These are the Predator Polymags. $891. I only got to fill to 290 bar, I think. Nice. $891 duplicate. There's 3. It looks like they're all touching. That was 884. I should read at least 900. I wasn't that far off. I'm filling it up. And these are 81 grain, same weight as the other ones, JSB. Now let's just try this out. Wow, Predator Polymags are killing it. wow, wow, and double wow. Okay, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna go back and measure these for you guys. But then I'm gonna try filling my tank up to where I just filled it and try doing it with the Predator polymags. I got 5 of those left. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the JSBs on a new target and see if the lower fill changes it with the JSBs. Anyway, let's run you guys up here real quick. I'm gonna pause it so you guys don't have to watch a whole lot of walking back and forth. Okay, Predator polymags, man. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, all these are pretty much touching. I usually get the 3 and then the 2 off to the side, the 3 and the 2 off to the side, 3. You get it. You get the idea. Anyway, let me get this down here so I can measure this group out. I'd say from center to center is about right there. .050.